wondering how to export a Smartsheet to PDF? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do so. So first and foremost, open up your browse interface and you will see here a couple of different resources that I would like to export to PDF. One is a sheet and the second is a report. So if you want to export, then there's two different ways of doing so. Now the first way is to basically locate what you want to export, right click on that and then click export to PDF. Now at this stage all you need to do is run through how you want your PDF to be kind of exported. So you can change the paper size, the margins, the orientation, the scaling, and you can select fit to width, which is kind of recommended. And then you can also add some additional extras as well, such as, the sheet name, row numbers, etc. But if you're presenting or this is a report for your stakeholders, then you might not want to include all of this. I will include it now just for the demo purposes. Press OK, and you'll see at the top here that the PDF is being generated, and then it's going to appear in your downloads section of your browser. So if I click this here, you will see that it has been exported, and this is what you can then use. You can either print it, you can download it and save it as a copy as well. And just on some of those options, so this is the sheet name and this is the logo. So Smartsheet is the logo in my account by default, and you've got the page number as well, but you can remove all of this kind of outer stuff if you wanted to. Let's close that off. The second way that you can export a sheet to PDF is within the sheet itself. So open it up, press File, go down to Export, and again the second option, Export to PDF, and you will be presented with exactly the same options here. Run through this, press OK, and again you're going to get the message at the top and you're going to get the export in the browser download section. Click it open and here we go. So this is a little bit different. We've got the Gantt chart here. And lastly, so I've done sheets. I just wanted to show you that you can do it with the reports as well. Again, using the same process, right click, export to PDF. Slightly different options with a report of what you can download and export out, but you get the idea. You press OK once you're finished. And this is the report that I've generated earlier. And again, you can do so by pressing File, Export, Export to PDF. So that was how to export to PDF in Smartsheet. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue creating videos like this. And do consider subscribing and heading over to my channel. I've got over 40 videos now on Smartsheet training, so it's a good place to head over and watch some videos if you're new to the tool. With that said, I hope you have an excellent day.